How to recover TikTok messages. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can recover TikTok messages. If you have accidentally deleted your message and you want to recover them, watch this video till the end. The first step is to open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download this. Make sure to sign into your account once you have opened the application. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on the Account option. Now you will find different options. Go ahead and tap on the one that says Download your data. Now you have the option to select data to download. Tap on this All Data option and tap on the Custom option. Here you want to tap on Messages, then tap on the Done option. Once that is done, you can also select the file format. TXT is preferred. Now tap on the Request Data option. As you can see, it says your data request is being processed. Slide over to the download data option, and here it says that when your file is ready to download, it will be available for 4 days. As you can see, the downloading has already been completed, and within 4 days you will have to now download this and then open the file. Now you will have to verify your account to download. Go ahead and tap on Verify option. Once your account is verified, this data will be downloaded and you can check out your deleted TikTok messages from that. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.